Okay, so I'm here with the Isuzu Easy Shift with a HH6 harsh hook loader mounted to the back of it. This is a 7.5 ton gross vehicle weight chassis, and our lifting equipment has a 6 ton capacity there. As part of the HH6 hook lift, we have an articulating jib. This acts very similar to how your elbow works, so it actually tilts the arm back when lifting on and off containers. The advantage to having this setup is when the container is lifted onto the back of the chassis, there's a much shallower angle of bodywork, so there's less chance of any produce falling out the back. So one feature of our hook is the fact that we have a self-locking mechanism here. When the bail bar of the container is loaded inside the hook and the arm goes back over, this weight here allows the actual bail bar to be locked into place on the hook. So the HH6 hook loader body here is built to CHEM technical standard 13. Now that is commonly known in the industry as HL5, which basically means the hook height between the centre of hook and the chassis rail here is 930mm, and that allows you to pick up any container which is conforming to HL5 standards. Moving on to the back of the body, we have hydraulic container clamps here which lock the container to the hook loader when the body's been lifted onto the back, and we also have large diameter rear rollers here for easy container alignment.